Okay.
When he drinks.
Yeah.
There's people like that.
My name's Jeannie. What's yours? Rick. You know, a lot of guys, they have this idea that if you go to an all-girls school, that you're an easy target.
God, the rears are the worst. They're so tough.
No, that's disgusting.
Thick ass sidewalls.
Yeah, and they're smaller in diameter.
Yeah.
You remembered me, huh? It was hard not to. You sat on my girlfriend's pizza. Hey, don't worry about it. I thought it was kind of cute. Well, that's why I did it. Oh gosh, I gotta go. Maybe I'll see you around. Yeah, listen. I was just going myself. Can I walk you home? Yeah, okay. Great, we're right there. She wants me to walk you home. Wow. Must be lonelier than I thought. Excuse me, sir. This is Lyle. He's our chauffeur. Oh, Lyle. Does he drive the car as a kid?
Kind of get the tube straightened in there a little bit.
You said the room below was 10%. I told them you'd have to settle for 6%. They told me to blow out my briefcase. I swear, I've never met such a bunch of uncouth, unreasonable, uncivilized.
Well, Dexter, I know the union stuff to work with sometimes, but you know, there was a time when the workers didn't have any protection at all. Bad working conditions, exploited bosses.
Yeah.
That can't go down and talk about it. You did really well.
You just have to know how to approach them. They'll appeal to their sense of fairness. Everything's equals. And wear a sexy blouse.
Did this tire come today, or did you add it?
No, I already had it.
All's fair.
Yeah, the bead on the other side's in. We gotta get it popped in. This ain't gonna go on if we don't.
Gorgeous. Blue sky, falling clouds, blue.
Your girlfriend, right?
You're not just the girl. The girl I've asked to the prom.
You know, Jeannie, 4 days, you're gonna take her to the prom?
Yeah, if it's okay with Lyle. Who's Lyle?
Her chauffeur.
He's more like a bodyguard than a chauffeur. You see, when I walk home from school, he drives that limo behind us the whole way. A Rolls Royce doing 5 miles an hour.
Maybe needs a tune-up.
And I hate to
Yeah, watch the tube.
Have a good time, son. Listen, Edward, you better go with these papers.
Yeah, let me get my notes.
So, who is this girl that she has over the chauffeur?
Okay, let up.
Name's Bowman. Joe Bowman, I think Rick said. You know the name?
Oh, my God.
What's with you?
Bowman, I do know that name. He bought the old Kennedy mansion. He's going around that he may be connected.
Connected.
You know.
That is a tight fucking tire.
Yeah, stiff.
Not quite as tight as the one we put on. The effect on. We gotta get that
I'm telling you, I know the rule.
license and insured.
The same source that told you that Lonnie Anderson
Hold
was
that.
actually a man.
That has yet to be disproved. You remember Charlie Young, the man who was on the planet?
Charlie Younger, yeah, I remember reading something about him.
Joe Bowman's made all the offer he couldn't refuse. He wants the big meat packers, and no one's seen
Ugh.
Yes, maybe he just left the country.
You can believe what you like. I'm going to leave another half to work for us.
I wonder how much a hydraulic machine for doing these would cost.
Yeah. 3,000.
Too much.
Yeah.
Also did it. I've risked my case.
Here, hold that one.
Come on, please. All right.
That's a drop in. Maybe one more.
Everywhere.
I don't know where to get that
Beach in case you want some shade.
in. Ah.
Help me choose my dress.
Let up a hair.
I bet it's beautiful. Yeah, it's all satin, busted open, great for black tie. No, I'm wearing trying plaid tops. Plaid? Yeah, it's gonna be a real good one. Yeah. I don't want to look like some geek that's serious about dressing up. Oh, you're saying I'm a geek? Oh, come on, I'm talking about guys. Girls are supposed to get crazy about that stuff. Crazy? Oh, so now I'm crazy. You know what I mean? Yeah. You can just call me all the big jokes. No, not at all. Then you'll wear the black tux. Up to you.
Lit up.
You know,
I gotta get it in there.
tell me what to do. I do not. Yes, you do. Every time we go to the movie, you gotta pick. You've only gone to one movie. And who picked it? Shattered hearts and broken dreams.
Push down. Yeah.
I like that movie.
There we go.
Wild.
All right.
Maybe you should get killed with this stuff. Look, if it's too much trouble, you don't have to take it. That's right, I don't. Well, no. Okay, I'm all. Me too.
Fred, this isn't a laughing matter. Fuck you.
That's not good. Wait, I'm on the move.
Well, this is kind of important.
What is it?
Oh, that's always a fight.
What?
So it's always a fight.
Sorry to hear that.
The front's easier, bigger diameter,
I just...
easier to get on. The rears are always tough and they're so
And this is...
stiff.
I don't feel too bad.
No, I don't feel bad. I feel good because I did the right thing.
Good for you.
And now I'm going upstairs and get myself another date for that prom.
That's my son. Get right back up on that horse.
I'm going to call Sheila Becker. She'll go with me.
Good idea. Yeah, wait a minute, Ray. This Sheila, what does her father do for a living?
He's a florist.
Perfect.
I don't hear no leaky.
Have a nice day.
No, I said I don't hear no leaky.
Oh, I know those guys.
What guys? I sent a woman in to negotiate for them.
Mouse didn't work, huh?
Well, there we go. I just gotta finish it up.